Hey guys, Jordan from G-Force. Today I'm introducing one of the newer swap blocks that we have developed. This was based on some customer requests. I guess guys are still using the Turbo 400. So this is a Turbo 400 transmission mock-up, and these came behind small block Chevys, big block Chevys. People are also using them behind LSs with adapters and whatnot. So the Turbo 400 is a little bit bigger of a transmission compared to some of the small 700 R4, etc. So we thought it would be a good idea to develop a mock-up transmission. What's nice about the mock-up swap blocks is that they're lightweight and rigid, so that you can lift them in and out of your vehicle to test fitment of your crossmember, transmission tunnel, etc. Make sure it fits in there before you lug a heavy real transmission underneath your car. So this is a Turbo 400. We have plenty of other swap blocks out there. We've got engine blocks, we got transmissions. So if you want to find out more about our swap blocks, check us out at crossmembers.com. Thanks for watching.